Hey, what's up, AI enthusiasts? Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things artificial intelligence. Whether you're trying to make your life smarter or just trying to figure out how AI is kind of like a digital bodyguard. Today, we're diving into something super cool and super important. Can AI predict and prevent cyber attacks before they happen? Spoiler alert. It's kind of like having that super smart friend who can see trouble coming. But they're not perfect. Let's break it down. So first up, can AI really predict when a cyber attack's about to go down? The answer is, mostly. AI is great at looking at a ton of data and saying, wait a minute, something weird's happening here. Think of it like this. If your friend, who always shows up at school at 7 a.m., suddenly rolls in at 3 in the morning, you'd think, okay, something's not right. That's what AI does with network traffic. It's scanning constantly, looking for anything out of the ordinary. Maybe someone's trying to log in from a totally different country or sending weird data. AI's like, hold up, we might have a problem here. And not only that, AI learns your behavior. Kind of creepy, but cool at the same time, right? It knows your normal patterns, when you log in, what devices you use. So if anything looks off, it can send out a big red flag. Like if you're a night owl watching Netflix, but suddenly at 3 a.m. you're hacking into the Pentagon? Yeah, AI is going to call you out on that call. Now, prediction is one thing, but what about stopping these bad guys? This is where things get interesting. AI can actually jump into action. Think of it as digital ninja mode. If it sees something suspicious, it can automatically block it without waiting for a human to give the green light. Instant block, no waiting in line. Imagine if your Wi-Fi router could suddenly block a hacker trying to sneak in before you even know about it. Yeah, AI can totally do that. And not just that, it can find those little weak spots in your system. You know, those unpatched software holes that hackers love to exploit. AI's like, fix this, oh, and definitely fix that. But, and this is a big, AI isn't perfect. It can't catch everything. Just like that pop quiz you totally weren't ready for, AI can get stumped when hackers create brand new, never-before-seen types of attacks. They're called zero-day attacks. Basically, the hackers are inventing stuff faster than AI can learn. Laughing, AI's like, wait, what's this now? It has to catch up sometimes. Plus, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If it's working with bad data, well, you know what happens when you study the wrong notes for a test, right? You're probably missing some big stuff. So, to sum it up, AI is definitely your digital bestie when it comes to predicting and preventing cyber attacks. It's great at spotting weird stuff, stopping the bad guys, and keeping your system secure. But like your smartest friend, it's not perfect and still needs help from good old human experts. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? All right, that's it for today's video. If you like this and want to learn more about how AI is changing our lives, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe too for your weekly dose of AI awesomeness. Stay smart, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.